Hey entrepreneurs, it's AJ. Welcome back to Business as Unusual. Clarity and confidence during uncertain times. Today's topic is the power of the outside perspective. See, as human beings, we are automatically conditioned to safety, security, comfort. We rarely ever like being challenged out of our comfort zone. But all of a sudden, thanks to the COVIDness, we find ourselves in unfamiliar circumstances. And we're all facing the exact same situation, but we're handling it in different ways. And I think there's so much unprecedented opportunity to be taken advantage of. We just need to shift our thinking. But the challenge for many of us is now that we're trying to navigate the new normal, everything's changed. So how can we use that old thinking and apply it in an entirely different context? And the answer is we can't. But we have so been conditioned in such a way that it's going to be hard to break those patterns. So one of the best things that you can do is, if you're in the space of, like all of us here, trying to navigate the new normal, bring in an outsider perspective, someone who doesn't have any knowledge on your particular industry, and get them to really articulate how they see your challenges ahead. And this will unlock so many new ideas that you've never even thought of before. It works as if by magic. And those people who are courageous enough, those business leaders who are courageous enough to examine an outsider perspective, all of a sudden they unlock opportunities that they never had before. Remember, the light bulb was not invented by anyone involved in the candle industry. Airbnb, again, did not come from the hotel chains. Netflix, well, they were just a startup with no commercial entertainment expertise. All the disrupted innovation out there came from people outside traditional industries. It's incredible how that works. And all it takes is for you as a business leader to seek out that outsider perspective. Now, you're probably wondering, well, what outsiders should I bring into the organization? And the answer is entrepreneurs. Why entrepreneurs? Because of the way we think. And put it this way, we are all faced with the situation of dealing with uncertainty. So entrepreneurs are very good at dealing with uncertainty. We have the mental capacity to deal with the challenges. We have the fire, the drive, all of these skills that you now need in your organization and your teams. We have that already. Why? Because the goal of any entrepreneur and entrepreneurial thinker is to become an established business. And before we get to that, we need to navigate an incredible level of uncertainty. All these different variables out there, we face that all the time. And our reward is establishing a business. But in order to hit that reward, we have to be able to navigate uncertainty and navigate all these crazy variables out there. And as a result, we humbly possess all the thinking that you're looking for. Remember, when I spoke about the entrepreneurial mind, everyone wants the outcome. Every single organization wants the outcome. But rarely do they consider all these other elements involved with it. But as entrepreneurs, we master all of this to be able to achieve this. And that's exactly what you need in your organization today. If you think about it, entrepreneurs bringing our outsider perspective can be incredibly valuable to you. Now, if you've enjoyed this video, and you've enjoyed my energy and what I've said so far, allow me to demonstrate to you what I could bring to you the table. I have 3 presentations. First one is Crisis is a Terrible Thing to Waste. That's designed to specifically engage your people, your teams, your leaders, to get them reimagining the way things could be done immediately and hit the ground running so that they're inspired and motivated to achieve results. The second presentation I have is called Business at the Speed of Opportunity. And the goal of that presentation is to get your people, get your leaders really thinking about, well, what other opportunities are available out there? And the third presentation I have for you is How You Think is More Important Than What You Think. And that's really about engaging your leaders to think innovatively. Please don't let innovation reside in a silo of your organization. To be able to move forward and recreate the new normal or establish the new normal, you really need all those three domains: expertise, knowledge, valuable skills within your organization. And those are just three presentations that I have that I can deliver these results for you immediately. So if you're having a virtual event, whether that's a meeting or a conference or any other sort of event in your organization, please get in touch. And I'd love to share my thinking with you and your people to help them reimagine the new normal. My name's AJ Kulatunga. Thanks for watching this video, and I look forward to serving you in this new era of business as unusual. Take care.